Crew Log, Day 148 of the Outer Rim Survey. Our approach to the faint K-class star designated Helion 6 was logged as routine, another quiet stop meant to recalibrate long-range instruments before the next jump. Space in this region is sparse, predictable, and usually generous with silence. That expectation held until the forward arrays began sketching a shape that refused to resolve into anything familiar. At first, it was only a suggestion, a dim arc brushing the edge of the sensor sweep, easily mistaken for interference. We ran the pass again, and again. Each time, the arc returned, steady and patient, until the fragments joined and revealed a complete structure. A broad ring of luminous filaments encircling Helion 6 like a halo spun from light. From the observation deck, the ring felt less like an object and more like a condition of space itself. It wasn't solid. Each filament shimmered as a thread of charged dust, glowing softly as it traced a slow orbit around the star. The light ebbed and strengthened in gentle rhythms, responding to currents we could sense but not yet fully chart. There were no spikes, no warning signatures, only a calm, continuous motion, as though the system had been breathing this way for ages. We adjusted our trajectory to match the drift, keeping a respectful distance. The filaments stretched for hundreds of kilometers, too coherent to be debris, too delicate to survive chaos. Initial models suggested an electromagnetic lattice, long-lived charged grains captured and shepherded by Helion 6's magnetic field. Over immense spans of time, those fields may have drawn the grains into arcs, weaving a ring that now pulses in quiet resonance with the star's rotation. As we passed through a calmer pocket of local plasma, the filaments shifted in tone. Pale silver deepened toward blue, not abruptly, but like a slow turn of a dial. The change aligned precisely with a minor adjustment in the star's magnetic cycle. Helion 6 seemed to exhale, and the ring answered with a soft, unified pulse. Nothing broke formation. Nothing rushed. The entire structure simply realigned, as though balance itself were the governing law here. Conversation on the bridge dwindled. Not from fear, there was none, but from a shared reluctance to intrude. Even the ship's low hull vibrations felt loud against the quiet choreography outside. I found myself lingering at the viewport, watching blue-tinted strands glint like stretched starlight, each filament tracing a path carved by patient forces rather than violent events. We completed our scans, spectral analysis, field mapping, long-duration observation. All indicators pointed to stability. The ring did not react to our presence. It did not distort, flare, or defend itself. It simply existed, a silent companion to an otherwise ordinary star. When departure protocols finally pulled us away, the ring thinned into a narrow glimmer, easy to miss unless you knew precisely where to look. That may be what stays with me most. The universe does not always announce its wonders. Some of its most elegant structures endure without witnesses, shaped by time rather than intention. Helion 6 and its luminous ring reminded us that beauty does not require urgency, only patience, balance, and the willingness to drift slowly enough to notice.